Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to tell if your plants need water or they don't need any water, because watering is it's a very key important part when you're planting your plants, when you're growing your plants. So underwater could be dangerous, overwater could be dangerous too, so you gotta get that right between target. I'm just gonna show you guys right now. Alright guys, so if you look right here, I'm gonna use these guys on an example right here. So if you look right here, this soil right here, you could tell it's dried and it's so hard, and you could see, guys, look, you could see all this crack and it's stiff. Look at this. See this right here? It tells you right there that two things. This, it has no water. It needs water. It dried up, and tells me another thing, that I need to move this plant in a bigger container. So this is gonna have to get moved in a bigger container, and it needs more water. So don't be afraid to touch your soil. If it's stiff and hard like this, you need water. So I'm gonna show you guys up close. See that? It needs water. So this right here, as you see, the soil is black, and as soon as I put my hand, see that? It's softer. So this is pretty good. It's not over water, on the water. It's just perfect. See, all the containers have holes, so if I put too much of water, it will just leak right through. So guys, a very important tips: if you're doing your own containers, make sure you have holes on the bottom. If not, what you could do with some of my containers, I actually pop some holes on the side too, just smaller holes on the side. So that's another thing you could look at too. And now I'm going to show you guys another plant that has overwater. So look at that. You guys are getting good tips right here. So this plant right here, as you could tell, the green stuff right there, let me show you guys close. Sorry about that. So the green stuff right there, that's when it comes from excess water. So that's too much of water. If you look right there, that green thing that you're seeing, and I want to figure out what's that on your plant, and you can see some ants. Oh my god, we got ants. So that green thing you're looking at right there on your soil, why your soil is green, it's because of too much of water. It still comes out, but I overwatered this one. So I didn't water him for this afternoon. I watered him this morning a little bit, but then when I realized it was green, I'm like, all right, you're good. He's gonna be good for, I would say, 2 more days. And this, we're looking at a red robin tomatoes. Isn't the flower so beautiful? So these guys don't grow that big, but they produce a lot of tomatoes. So I got a bunch of them. So guys, the green, definitely, that's too much of water. If you see green, so stop water, give it a day to 2, and check it back. Too much of water right there. Black soil, looks like it's wet and it's damp a little bit. You could just scrape it right out. That's perfect water. Dry, white, ashy, that has no water. So you need water. You don't need water. Too much water, right? So the next thing with the overwatering, if your soil is green on top, it's getting green and mold and stuff like that, and well, greenish, it's too much of water. So basically cut back on your water, bring it out, keep it in the sun a little bit, maybe skip like 2 days, but keep your eyes on it, because if the sun is too hot, it'll dry out the water really fast. So I'm gonna do another video when I'm watering my plant, because I already watered for the day. I watered for this morning. So I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow how am I watering my plant, so you guys could have an idea. I had some bad experience with watering, and I'm gonna share you all my experience when it comes to watering, so you guys don't make that same mistake that I did. So definitely watering is a big key, and I understand. Like certain plants that I realize need extra water. Like my scallions. Scallions I water sometimes twice a day, because I don't know if it's the soil or it's just the scallion itself needed more water. So I'll come in, I'll water every plant in the morning, and then I'll come back in the afternoon to check around, see if I have to pull any weed or anything out. And out of the blue, I'll look at my scallion soil, and it's completely dry. So scallion gets 2 times a day sometimes. And I have to tell you, I cut scallions twice every week now. Every 2 weeks, I'll cut a bunch of scallions, and it's been growing really well for me. So watch your scallions if you're doing that. And scallions and lettuce. Lettuce is another one that needs a lot of water. It just sucks up a lot of water. So, and you guys, if you're new to my channel and you're into the garden world, you're just starting off your garden and you want to learn more, click on the red subscribe button, guys. It's free. Every time I upload a video, you guys gonna get it right away. And it could be a video that, it could be something that you're looking for, or a problem that you're going through in your garden, and it could help you guys. Because all my videos I've been doing, guys, is not, I don't video other people garden, or I don't just go and take people's video or make up all these stuff. You know, these are stuff that I experienced and it's been working for me. I don't know if it's not working for me, I'll let you guys know. And so far, I'm telling you, the water thing has been working great, because since I've been controlling the water thing, I don't always control it. Sometimes I get crazy with the water too if it's hot, but most of it I'm on point right now. And as on point, more stuff is growing. The plant has been growing really well. And alright, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up and also subscribe, guys. I'll see you next time in Green Tea Garden.